I will just share to you, my experience for 1 year running. There, the first one, after running for 1 year, almost 1 year, last February, I experienced the knee pain on my left legs. So there. Second, although I think I maintained my body weight, although sometimes it's going up but not too much, and sometimes it's going low but not too much as well. It's like, you know what I mean, even though I'm eating a lot, I'm eating sweets, I'm eating everything, I think running helps my body to maintain my weight. And then what is the third one? The third one is going outside, doing running, gives me energy, and at the same time refresh my mind, especially my job is a caregiver and I'm always staying in one place. So going outside really helps me to have a different view, a different moment, even though for just a couple of hours. There, it helps me, and because of that, I think it helps me on how I face my struggles, my boredom, my anxiety, especially at work, in my personal life, and the day-to-day task that I am doing there. And one thing is for sure, running really helps me, gives me good effect. And running to summarize, sorry, I have a struggle speaking in English, talking in English today. But not just today. I always have a struggle speaking in English because that is not my first language. But anyway, there. Overall, running for me is a very good workout. That's all. So there. That's all. This is my 1 year runniversary here in Israel. Always take care of yourself, alright? Because health is wealth. Nakon? So this is John, a caregiver and a runner here in Israel. Bye!